What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I got another tutorial for you guys on how to apply color enhancement. As y'all can see, the lineup is crispy already without the enhancements, but we're going to use them to make this cut pop. And right here, I'm just making sure the lineup is straight and as crispy as possible before I apply the color enhancement. And I have the footage of me doing a full lineup, so if y'all want a video on how to do a crispy lineup, just comment down below and I will upload it. So right here, I have the Tune 45 enhancement card, and then I also got some root touch-up spray, and the color is black. And I got it from like a hair store, beauty store or whatever. And I'm spraying at an angle. I'm not spraying directly on the spot that I want to darken. I'm spraying it at an angle so it'll fade into the fade. Because if you spray it directly on it, it's gonna look like a dark spot. So you want to spread at an angle so it'll fade into the fade. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Most of my viewers aren't subscribed, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. As y'all can see, I'm not spraying the enhancements like it's air freshener. I'm lightly tapping and removing that enhancement card so I can see what I'm working with. I recently just got a airbrush compressor and some Kiss Express, so y'all might be seeing some videos in the future with me using it. And before I proceed to the next step, I want to read a quick Bible verse coming from Romans 8:28. And it says, "For all things work together for the good, for those who love God, and for those who are called according to his purposes." So this means if you love God, God will make all the bad things that you go through in life work together for your good. He'll make it work together for your benefit. It's kind of like the saying, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. So right here, I got the Barber magic pencil to create contrast and to make this cut pop even more. And I wouldn't recommend pressing down too hard, because the harder you press in, that's the harder it's going to be to blend that color pencil out. So if you follow the steps, this is how everything should look before blending out that magic pencil. So right here I got my trimmer and I'm starting the blending process of that color pencil. Now with this part you want to be very careful. Right here I got my razor and I'm stretching the skin in the opposite direction that I'm pulling the razor. And this is just tighten up the skin so you won't cut the climb. And I'm using the razor to further blend out this pencil line. Alright YouTube, this is the final look. If you found any value out this video, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, comment down below what you think, and thanks for watching.
Oh yeah. Oh, my line do look way.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hold on. Get the back. Oh yeah.